years later.
Watch the vines on the upper arm.
We've cleared the main track here. Bring the heavy gear.
Focus the sprayer on the upper joint.
Okay, I'm moving up the ladder now.
Past the stabilization point.
Mark it here and here. The laser scan confirms the depth.
Clear that. Copy that. Moving it now. Copy that. Moving it now. Check the level on that ridge. Looks good for the pipe. Hold it right there. Park it up. Copy that. Shutting it down now. We are right on grade.
Set the laser alignment to the east marker.
Copy that. Adjusting the prism now.
We need photos of the boom corrosion.
Make sure these posts are perfectly vertical before pouring. This section meets the required specifications.
Watch the swing line. Clear on the left. Bring it down slowly.
We have confirmation on the X and Y axis, 0.4 millimeters off center.
The torque wrench confirms these bolts are secure to spec.
Hold it right there. We need 5 more degrees starboard.
Torque wrench is set. Hitting the first brace now.
Align the panel with the frame.
Okay, bringing it closer now. Secure the clamps.
We are locked in position.
A little lower on the right. Hold it there.
Got it. Setting the vacuum seal.
Anchor's going in now.
As the mechanical systems are lowered into place, the electrical teams are busy wiring the main distribution boards on each floor.
Ok, baje un poco más a la izquierda. Un poco más. Ahí está, perfecto.
Transforming this 400-ton behemoth into a luxury sky bridge required unprecedented precision.
Easy now, bring it left just a few centimeters. Hold it there, watch the edge. All right, lowering the platform slowly.